Okay, let's start winding down today's trading session. And, irrespective of that last minute little bout of volatility, this has to go down as the most stable expiry day. So 10,384 is where we are shutting shop for the series in the Nifty futures. Yes, the breadth is negative, but first I'll talk about the Nifty movers. What goes home a winner is Sun Pharma, Aurobindo Pharma and Biocon. So pharmaceuticals clearly today has been that defining trend. You've also got some support coming in from a Kotak Bank, from an Innocent Bank and Yes Bank, which also go home winners. L&T just a smidge in the green. M&M goes home a winner by about almost 2%, and Vedanta as well managed to cling on to the greens with a 1% move. From within the broader markets, Biocon has really been the top F&O price winner. We've also got some strength coming in for Repco Home, NIT Technologies, IDBI as well as Reliance Naval, which has managed to close in with a 5.6% gain. A longer list of losers, ONGC, DRL, UPL, Eicher, Tata Motors, Lupin, BPCL, Maruti. It's a long list of Nifty losers out there. And also adding pressure have been Colgate, Suzlon, Siemens. Fortis has lost about 5.5% today, and PC Jewelers as well is your top F&O loser with almost a 6% loss there. Siddharth?
Well, Biocon is going all the way. It's up by almost 9% now, and 8%, sorry. We are seeing, Sun Pharma also doing well. For me, Aisha, this series is ending on a very negative note. We are seeing Bank Nifty, tad bit away from recapitalization, high kind of close, which clearly suggests that this pain is not over. Yes, because of expiry, you saw some bounce back in Nifty, some bounce in Nifty, but this overall data built up, the way positioning of currencies there, we have seen dollar index moving above 90. Also crude oil unable to move above that $65 per barrel, and I'm talking about Brent crude over here. We are talking about rising bond yields. All these factors put together, and of course FI selling, are suggesting that we are still not out of woods, and we would like to see how the rollovers data pan out. As on yesterday's closing Bhav copy data, rollovers were very less, and clearly signifying that people are not rolling over their position. We will have to see whether it is shorts who have not rolled over or longs have not rolled over, but basically in system there were more of shorts, so it might be a positive news. Tomorrow morning around 9 o'clock we will be discussing host of this kind of data related to futures and options, but so far you won't call this move as a great move which took place in last half an hour, and this closing is not very enticing at all. Avan, what are your observations?
That it's been a disastrous series to say the least, Siddharth. The frontline indices this entire month, and as Sanjeev was saying, it's been such a short month, but there's been nothing but gloom. You've seen the frontline indices down about 6% plus in the month gone by, and you've got the broader end of the market that suffered far worse. The mid and the small cap indices have lost close to 9% this entire month. If we're looking at today's session, yes, you all pointed out some of the stocks that stood out, the likes of Biocon, MTNL, etc. But in terms of the sectors, you've seen quite a bit of selling pressure coming in across the board, barring the likes of, the IT, the pharmaceuticals and the real estate space at best.